Okay. Good evening, Pak Tatang. Good evening, everyone. So, in my group, we from Group 4, we will presentation about business model innovation of Salon XYZ. And then in my group, there are me, Fenina, Kak Albert, and Kak Titi. Next. So in the table of content, the first introduction, second literature review, third research methodology, and then the next. Okay, introduction. Next. The background, the issue of a business model. Many people do not realize that every business must have a business model. It's important to have a complete picture of the business. And then for the entrepreneur who already have a business, it's important for them to immediately know their current business model and need to develop it continuously for adapting to the changing business environment for long-term profitability. And then business model innovation. Innovation in business model basically refers to adjusting the business model in accordance with emerging trends. Business model innovation allows a business to take advantage of changing customer demands and expectations. Next. Salon XYZ is one of the new salon in Cikarang, Bekasi, that will be the case of this study. And then for business continuity, it's necessary to review and study what can be developed or needs to be improved in the business so that it can be better in the future. In addition, the high competition in the salon industry in Cikarang require company to always adapt their business to fit the customer need. In other words, the company must innovate their business model every time. According, the objective of this study is to give a recommendation of business model for Salon XYZ to be able to compete with the other competitor. This study is important because it can make the understanding about how the business started, the challenge faced, and also the step that Salon XYZ need to implement in order to continue competing. Next, Kak. One of the basic principle, this is problem statement. One of the basic principle in winning the business competition is to apply the right business model for the company. Meanwhile, Salon XYZ is a new salon established in 2021. And then for now, they just focus for business is to get as many customers as possible so that they can make branding for the new, for the salon itself. And then in the among of the intense competition, salon operations are currently still carried out in a simple way and do not follow technological developments such as the payment only received by cash and debit BCA only, and then do not conduct large-scale promotion, and then also the source of income only come from salon treatment only, and unable to receive home service or another event. And then based on these cases, this study is focused on how to find a suitable business model at the Salon XYZ for the future in the midst of intense competition. One of the business model that have success in turning complex business concept into simple and easy to understand concept is the business model Canva or BMC. Next. So the purposes of the study is the first one is to find out the current business model of Salon XYZ. Second, to analyze the internal and external environment in Salon XYZ. And then the last one is to recommend the business model of Salon XYZ using business model Canva. Next. And then the benefit of this study is for the entrepreneur, future researchers, author. The first, the entrepreneur, the result of this study can provide input and information for the entrepreneur who are interested in the salon industry related with business model innovation. And then for the future researches, the result that come up through this study can be used as additional data, input, and references to compare and complete future research that has a relevant field of research. And then the last one is author, to apply the knowledge that has been studied and to have a deeper understanding of the business model innovation. And then to complete a project class paper for the subject, a new product and business model innovation strategy. Next. For the next presentation will be explained Albert. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vanina. Next, about the regulatory review. First is the business model. So a business model discusses the rationale of how an organization creates the refers and captures values. Nowadays, adopting a business model definition may initially seem challenging, as the research community somehow disagrees regarding the elements entailed by business models. The value proposition refers to the product, services, or the mix of both offered by a company to its customers. So we can illustrate that the potential benefits a company creates for its customer. Value creation discusses the methods employed by companies for making and delivering the value proposition to customers. In turn, value capture defines the subsequent conversion of payments from customers into profits. So a business model can best be described through 9 basic building blocks that show the logic of how a company intends to make money. The numbers cover the 4 main areas of a business, such as customers, offer, infrastructure, and financial viability. Next, about the business model canvas. So the business model canvas is a visual framework for describing the different elements of how a business works. That have about 9 about into the business model canvas, about like key partners, key activities, key resource, value proposition, customer relationship, channel, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. Okay, next about the business model innovation. So the business model innovation is simply put probably the most important tool for building a business that creates maximum value for all stakeholders, such as customers, shareholders, employees, and society at large. This obviously leads to a wide variety of benefits. The first is increased value creation will lead to increased growth even for otherwise stagnant businesses. A business model innovation often requires new operating model, and it thus often very difficult for established competitors to copy. And the third is this which can lead to an extended period of competitive advantage. The fourth is the right kind of business model also helps overcome objection to sales and creative positive brand recognition. The fifth is, as mentioned, some business model can make the business much more robust toward. About the PESTEL analysis, the PESTEL analysis is a strategy framework commonly used to evaluate the business environment in which a firm operates. It also very popular to among management consultants to help their clients develop innovative product and market initiative, as well as within the financial analyst community, where factors may include model assumption and funding decision. They have a kind of several factors like political factor that are those driven by government action and policies, economic factors that related the broader economy and tend to be especially financial in nature. They include interest rates, employment rates, inflation, and exchange rates. The third is social factors, tend to be more difficult and quantified than economic ones. They refer the evolution towards the shareholders of post-ref and ratio, which is can impact commercial activity. The fourth is about the technology factors. This is about the technology everywhere and is changing rapidly. The fifth is environmental factors, as sensible addition to the organizational best framework as the business community to begin to recognize the change to our physical environment can be some materials and opportunities for organization. The last is legal factor, to change the regulatory environment that affect the broader economy, certain industry or individual business with a services sector. The second is value analysis. Analysis is tool to you analyze from internal ratio to internal resources and capabilities to find out it can be solved or sustain competitive advantage. The term of value came from the outside of come from the words like either value, reality, immutability, or organization. About the first is variable, the question about enable a firm to exploit opportunity or defend against the threats. Second is rare. Resources that can only be acquired by one or very few companies are considered rare. The third is costly to imitate. So a resource is costly to imitate if other organization don't have it, can imitate, buy, or substitute at a reasonable price. The fourth is organized to capture value. The last is SWOT analysis is a framework to use to evaluate company competitive position and do effort strategy planning. SWOT analysis is designed to facilitate a realistic, fact-based, data-driven look at the strength weakness of organization. SWOT is like about the strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Okay, the research methods will present by Nastiti.
Okay, yes, thank you, Albert. Now we are going to talk about the next part. It is research methods. So this is the time and research location. The study conducted at one of the salons in Cikarang, Bekasi. And the name of the salon will not mention in the study because it is a private. And then the research location was chosen purposefully. Why we choose the salon? Actually, because as Fenina mentioned before, the salon XYZ is a new salon with the operated is still in a simple way, and also they don't follow the technological development. So that's why the salon is need to be developed, and we collect the data in July 2022. Next, and then it is a method for collecting the data. The study used two types of data. They are primary data and also secondary. For primary, it is observation and also FGD. And for secondary data, it is literature study. For observation, actually we observe like how actually the salon is work and how the condition or situation in the salon, is it comfortable enough for customer, is it good or like that. Meanwhile, for FGD, we conduct it with the internal management of salon. We conduct 2 times of FGD. Why? Because the consideration is each problem must identify in depth, and also the range time, it's about 60 until 90 minutes. So this is to avoid boredom or being too short, so the data result from this FGD is not too shallow. Next. And this is the respondent in the study, which are the FGD respondents. So the respondents, it is internal management, who people know about the current condition of the salon, who know for sure the internal and also the external factors. So we decided for people to be respondent, they are 2 owners, 1 manager, because we ensure that they have the knowledge, experience, expertise in explaining the situation of the salon. And also there is 1 employee too, because with the consideration that this employee has interacted directly with customers, so she knows more about customer need in the field. Next. This is the methods that we use in the study. The study use qualitative method, and for analysis method, first descriptive analysis to identify the existing business model, and then for further analysis, creating a business also requires the assessment of internal and external factors. So we also analyze the external and internal factor using PESTEL, FREO, and SWOT. Next. So this is our research steps of the study. First, we find a research idea and then identify research problems and objective. Next, we do a literature review. After that, we collect data through FGD1 to know each element of current business model, and also conducting a FGD2 to know the external and internal environment, and then we do an observation. Next, we do a processing data. After FGD1, the result of data will be analyzed using descriptive analysis, and after FGD2, the data result will be analyzed using PESTEL, FREO, and SWOT. After that, we can get the result, first existing business model using PMC, second external and internal analysis, third, recommended business model using BMC, and in the end, conclusion and recommendation. Next, we are going to talk about the result and discussion, and this will be explained by Vanina.
1 more minute.
Okay, so for the vision to be able the best in class in the overseas business salon category, to make Salon XYZ the place of the choice for body treatment that prioritize customer satisfaction, and then the mission is to provide affordable price with complete facility and good quality, to use good, safe, and test beauty products, to provide a clean, to give the best service to the customer. Next. Why attract the customer? One, many treatment for all bodies.
Okay,
from head to
sorry, Vanina, time is up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Ria, any question?